Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, it's going to be lovely collections of salwar material, very beautiful ones. Mostly it's going to be cotton salwar materials, some cotton linens we have this time, very different varieties we have come up with, very beautiful designs. To purchase these salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 and please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the beautiful salwars. This is again a beautiful cotton salwar material with a very different design. In the center we have buttons, and on the sides we have an embroidery on the top, and again in the bottom of the daman also we have a beautiful embroidery. And for this we have a nice contrast orange color bottom and a very pretty chiffon dupatta for this. Very lovely dupatta with print, and on the sides we have a beautiful patti, very pretty one, and the price of this salwar is 760. This is again a very pretty one, a beautiful cotton salwar material. In the center a very pretty work. You could see some cute kundan works and bead works and some winner works, all works together in one pattern. A very lovely design, and the bottom is in contrast navy blue, and a very pretty cotton dupatta for this. A lovely cotton dupatta in ikat pattern design, very lovely design. It looks really class, and the price of this salwar is 980. This is again a beautiful design. This is a semi raw silk material, and on the front part we have an embroidery with the print. It's combined with print and embroidery, lovely pattern, and the bottom is in contrast red color, very pretty one. And the dupatta is a chiffon dupatta with a lovely piping on the borders. Very beautiful salwar, simple but elegant rich ones, and the price of this salwar is 1040. This is again a very lovely cotton salwar material. In the center we have a beautiful embroidery, kundan and mirror work all together in the same pattern. Looks really nice. And the print is an ikat pattern design. Looks really class. All soft cotton material, and the bottom is in contrast green. And the dupatta is going to be a lovely dupatta. If you look at the dupatta, you'll know. Such a pretty dupatta with embroidery, and on the sides we have some cut works. Very beautiful one. It looks really class when you wear. This is how the salwar is, and the price of this salwar is 1050. This is a very pretty semi raw silk material, a very beautiful work. Throughout the work we have a on the front part we have embroidery and a small chunky work, lovely design. And this has a contrast bottom in green, and the very pretty dupatta for this. A zari pattern design in chanderi material, lovely salwar this is, and the price of this salwar is 910. This is a lovely chanderi material, in that a beautiful sequence work with embroidery in the front. You can have a closer look how beautiful the design is. You have the design completely in the front, and the bottom is in contrast beige color with printed one, very beautiful one. And the dupatta is a lovely printed dupatta in khaki color, lovely design, beautiful pattern with contrast. We have borders in the sides, lovely design, and the price of this salwar is 950. This is again a beautiful cotton salwar material in mustard with green combo. In the center yoke we have a beautiful panel work with a lovely mirror work in it. Beautiful design, looks really class, more like an ajrak print. And the bottom is in contrast green with yellow dots, and the dupatta is going to be a very beautiful chiffon dupatta in green with yellow. And on the sides we have the pipings, very pretty one, and the price of this salwar is 840. This is a lovely pink, very beautiful light pink. In that we have a very pretty work in the neck, lovely design, looks really pretty. And the bottom is in contrast. It's in the monotone color with a different design, leheria design, beautiful one. And the dupatta is again in chiffon dupatta in pink with the borders, lovely design, and the price of this salwar is 880. This is again a very beautiful cotton salwar material in light green color combination, and in the center we have a beautiful buttons and small pipings in the sides. Looks really class. If you stitch with a collar neck and all, this kind of a design will look really class. And the bottom is in contrast kalamkari print with a lovely cotton dupatta in kalamkari. Looks really class, and you can pair it up with these dupattas and bottoms with lots of other salwars also. And the price of this salwar is 970. This is again a beautiful linen cotton material in green color. A very beautiful block print on the front part. Lovely design. On the back also we have some beautiful prints in block. And the bottom is again in light kavi color, and for this also you have prints in the bottom. So these pants, if you stitch a parallels or a pants, it will look really nice. And the dupatta is again in lovely shade of kavi and green. Beautiful design. It looks really class when you wear it. It will be very rich for office wears and all. And the price of this salwar is 1250. This is a grey color soft cotton salwar. Very beautiful one. In the center yoke we have a beautiful neck pattern design with a gotapati work and a buttons in center. And on the sides it's a beautiful small bandhani dot prints. And the pant is a cotton pant with contrast printed one. And we have a beautiful shawl for this. A very pretty chiffon shawl. Lovely design. And the price of this salwar is 780. This is again a beautiful chanderi material. In that we have embroidery in a monotone design, pink with small sequence work. The work is completely stitched one. It is stitched inside. The chamkis are not stuck. It's stitched once. Very beautiful one. And the bottom is in contrast yellow color. And the dupatta for this salwar is a class dupatta with Banarasi weaving in chiffon. Very beautiful one. Looks really class and rich. Very beautiful salwar. And the price of this salwar is 1050. This is again a beautiful linen cotton material. A very pretty design. Light blue. In that we have block prints. Very beautiful design. And on the back also we have small prints. And the contrast for this color is a very lovely shade. Blue and a grey mix. And on the pants also you have some lovely prints. And the dupatta is going to be in beautiful grey with blue color. Very beautiful design. Lovely color combination. Looks really class. And the price of this salwar is 1250. This is again a super soft quality. Very beautiful cotton salwar material in white and red color combination. Lovely design. And the center we have a beautiful neck yoke pattern. Lovely design with small mirror works. And throughout the body also we have small mirror works. You could see that. And the bottom is in contrast lovely mustard maroon color. More of a kalamkari print. And the dupatta is a lovely soft cotton dupatta in maroon. Looks really class. Very pretty salwar. And the price of this salwar is 1020. This is again a very pretty cotton salwar material. More like a khadar type material this is. And in the center we have a beautiful button within the kalamkari pattern. Center a very pretty patch design. And the bottom is in contrast maroon color with a lovely soft cotton dupatta. Very pretty dupatta. Lovely dupatta this is. And the price of this salwar is 970. This is again a beautiful soft cotton salwar material. A lovely design. Floral pattern on the sides, and in the center it's a very pretty embroidery and small kundan works. Lovely design. Class design. And the bottom is a very pretty bottom in cotton in Laria stripe pattern design. And the dupatta is again in chiffon dupatta. Lovely dupatta with small prints, and on the sides we have a border. Beautiful salwar this is. And the price of this salwar is 1200. This is a very lovely material, a khadi cotton material. The color is more of a light kavi color. In that a beautiful block print have been done in this. A very pretty one. You have the front. This is the print, and on the back also you have the prints. Beautiful ones. And the beauty of this salwar is in the bottom also you have prints. For both the legs you will have this kind of a print. So if you stitch parallels or a pants, it will be very pretty for this salwar. And the dupatta of this salwar is in dual tone shade, in pink with Kavi color, lovely design. This is more of a linen cotton material, and the price of this salwar is 1250. This is again a beautiful cotton salwar material. In the center, a very lovely thread work, beautiful work in the center yoke, lovely pattern, and on the print is going to be an elephant motif design, and the bottom is in contrast navy blue color, and the dupatta is in navy blue with mustard, the dual tone shades. Very pretty designs and lovely pattern, and the price of this salwar is 840. This is again a very beautiful one, pink with a black color combination. In the center we have a lovely patchwork with small button works in the center. Very pretty, so nice south cotton material this is, and the bottom is in contrast black. This is again a cotton, and the dupatta is a lovely cotton shawl in printed design. Very pretty one, and the price of this salwar is 940. This is again a lovely soft cotton salwar material in yellow color. In the center we have a beautiful embroidered pattern, lovely design, very pretty one, and the bottom is in contrast gray, lovely design bottom in contrast, and the dupatta is going to be a very class dupatta in cotton, printed one, but a very beautifully colored one. It's really nice. This is how it's going to look, and the price of this salwar is, sorry I forgot the price. Yeah, the price of the salwar is 910. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the lovely collections of the salwars. To purchase these salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.